Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how to replace this Honda Civic car's steering wheel. And now I have taken away already this central area, but let's look at how I take it away, and then we can look this inner central bolt. Okay, and then the first step in this airbag replace is to take always away this car battery, and then we have to wait about 30 minutes, because this car battery, this explodes our airbag, and it is good that we take it away. Okay, and then when we have waited, we can go to this cabin area next. Okay, and this airbag replace happens really that there is two bolts what we need to open, and now I have made already a little bit pre-work that we can see those bolts easier, but this is the idea that this bolt must be get open, and this is the most difficult part in that job. And let's continue. Okay, and first tool what we need is really this Torx head drill bite, and here I have this drill bite, and it looks like that, and this size is now T30, T30, and it is like 3 millimeters. And now we need, I recommend that we need now tool what generates lot of force, and I have excellent this socket that I can install this my Torx drill bite in here. We can purchase these tools or something else tool, because now this airbags bolts, they are really tight. They are difficult to open, and that's I use also longer bar, that kind of bar that I can install this my Torx head in here, and then I need wrench, and let's look at how it happens. Okay, and then when I have this my wrench, it looks like that, and I connect this my tools. There is two bolts in that area what we need to open in that direction. This is the direction, and remember that these bolts are tight, and one is in that side, and then when I rotate in this direction, there is second in here. And let's go to look these bolts, because we can see these in this direction very nicely. Okay, and there we can see this bolt, and it is really, and this nut, it is specific nut, this yellow, and in this area this my drill bite fits nicely in that way. But remember that these are very tight bolts to open. And let's see that how I open that. I install that my tool in there and in that direction, and then I start to rotate and look that I have big tool. And now I open this, and if we have small tool, then it is difficult to open. And there is this nut, it looks like that, very small nut. And here is really this nut, and it looks like that, and this is difficult to open, remember. And if we damage that nut, then we are much more bigger job, because we have to drill that out. And this is this bolt, and then there is second similar bolt, and I open also that one. Okay, and there is then this another bolt, and I have already loosened that, and now I remove that part in this way, and now these are away, and then we can look next step. Okay, and then we have next step is this airbag connector, and this location is in here, and there is small cover in that area what we have to open, and now I have removed that already, and there is this connector, and there is really idea that I have to move that cover up in that way. This is like airbag protective connector, and in that way, and then I can pull that out, and then this my airbag is easy to take out. And let's go to look a little bit closer. Okay, and now when this is ready, we can see that there is this my airbag, and there are those information in back area 14. It fits in there, and then I need long bar and also very long tool, because this central bolt is tight, and then I connect these my things in here, and this is opening direction that way, and when I take this hard hit, I can open this bolt, and then only rotation in that way, and there is the specific nut in here. It looks like that, and then next step is that when I take this my wheel away, I need to little bit press that in carefully in that way, small hittings and in that direction, and then suddenly it opens, and there is really the steering wheel, and it is so easy. Okay, that kind of Honda information, and thumbs up my friend, and see you in next movie.